Hello friends, how are you? Let us start our series with a very important soft skill, positive attitude. No matter what our blood group is, we should all have a be positive attitude towards life. Positive attitude can be understood in two ways. One is looking at the life with a very positive approach. We should perceive life with a positive attitude. It helps us in making better decisions in life. It gives us energy and enthusiasm, and it makes us optimist. This doesn't mean that we should not look at the negative aspect of life. Negative aspect of life should be considered, should be taken care of, so that we can plan our things better, we can be careful, we can be cautious. But if we have a permanent negative attitude, we lose the battle even before fighting it. So, positive attitude towards life is really important. Secondly, we should have a positive behavior. Now, positive behavior doesn't mean that every time we should have a smiling face and a very goody goody face. For me, positive attitude is like wearing a right kind of attitude at right place. Every single person is required to have different kind of attitude or behavior in different situations, at different times, in different places. Even every profession and every work also requires different kind of attitude. For example, a policeman, he has to be very rude and stern because he is dealing with antisocial elements, criminals. While on the other hand, a kindergarten teacher, she has to be very soft spoken, very loving, very caring because she is not dealing with antisocial elements or criminals. She is dealing with innocent kids. Now, let me give you another example of positive attitude. Just imagine that we have a basket full of apples, out of which some apples have turned rotten. Now, being positive doesn't mean that we'll smilingly say that, see how good these apples are. These apples are very nice. Yes, some have just changed the texture and color. It is not being positive. Here, being positive is with affirmation, you must say that out of these apples, some apples have turned rotten. So just take them out, throw them out, so that the others' apples are not spoiled. This is positive attitude. Now, if our mind is negative or if our behavior is negative, we cannot give an order that be positive. No. Positive attitude cannot be attained in this way. Our mind has to be constantly and consistently trained for this. Now, how can we train our mind? Mind can be trained by using different modulations of breath. The various breathing techniques helps us to manage and train our mind. Meditation is also required to put the mind to rest at different times so that it gets the necessary amount of rest it requires. Besides, we should also embrace ourselves consistently and constantly with different knowledge and should try to manage our mind. Because once the mind is managed, everything else can be managed. So, my friends, positive attitude is very important. And you know, positive attitude makes every situation in life a win win situation, and every event becomes successful. So, if you want to be successful, be positive and stay tuned with me so that we can come up with different soft skills out of the treasure box. Till then, stay happy, stay successful, stay positive. Thank you.